Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to create a subscription bundle in your store. A subscription bundle lets customers combine multiple products into one convenient package, delivered on a recurring schedule. It works great for things like fresh flowers, beauty kits, or wellness packs. For example, a cosmetics brand might offer a Glow and Care beauty kit. Customers can pick a toner, moisturizer, and sheet masks and get it delivered every month. Now, let's walk through the setup. Go to the subscription app and select Subscription Bundles. Click Create Subscription Bundle. Give your bundle a name, then choose the type, Classic or Dynamic. Classic bundles have a fixed price. Customers choose from a set number of items, but the price doesn't change. Dynamic bundles adjust the price based on the products customers select. Here, you can also set pricing, discounts, and other details. Then add the products customers can choose from to build their bundle. Add subscription plan. If you want recurring deliveries, create a subscription plan. If you skip this, the bundle will only be sold as a one-time purchase. Click Next Step, set up the template, and hit Create. Once your bundle is ready, the system will generate a product page. Open the theme editor, find the page, and create a template for it. Hide any extra components you don't need, then add the subscription bundles component. That's it. Head over to your storefront, open the subscription bundle product, and test it out. Congratulations! You've just set up a subscription bundle in your store.